So this week, the Safari Girls have been at Mavela Lodge in KwaZulu-Natal, and we've decided to do the room tour right at the end, so we get to see what our favorite parts of the lodge are, our favorite parts of the room. So come have a tour. So this is one of our first times to KwaZulu-Natal, and I must say the landscape is so different. As you can see, it's lush and beautiful and tropical, and these tented camps fit in so well into the environment. Oh, I've spotted a Simone in the bush. Simone is actually doing one of our favorite things here at the lodge, to wake up on this beautiful balcony overlooking all of this. You literally can see God's work happening over here, having a cup of tea and enjoying it. So Simone, do you want to take over the room tour?
Do you want to take over my coffee?
I will.
So the rooms have recently been renovated. That's why they look so exquisite and fresh. And they have beautiful textures and tones everywhere. There's gorgeous wood. I'd call it like a modern African feel. Beautiful big headboards, lovely coffee station over here, linen curtains throughout. If you follow me this way, you'll see the gorgeous bathroom. So inside here, we have gorgeous, massive cupboard, which every girl needs. There's a beautiful station to get ready. Stunning bathrooms with rattan walls, double basins, just beautiful, modern and sleek. And over here is your shower. There are no baths here, which helps save water, which is actually very important for conservation. And over here is the fun shower. You can shower outside with views. And yep, I absolutely love it here. You can actually sit and have a cup of tea. You just want to sort of hang out in your room. It's a bit of a problem. Oh, hello, Sashi. Are you reading a book?
The local birds.
Oh, lovely.
Not just you.
This is the perfect place to sit in the afternoon or the morning.
It is so beautiful because you have the sun setting on that side, the sun rises on this side. Morning or night, it is magnificent. Thank you so much, Mavela Lodge. We've had an incredible time.